Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Sporty's 2012 Fly-In. At Sporty's, we're in business because we love aviation and we love to share that with our customers. If you know something else about Sporty's, you know that we like to give away new airplanes. We've been doing it for over 20 years. We've given away well over 20 airplanes. And we're going to do that again today. We're going to make somebody's day by giving them this brand new Cessna Skycatcher that's hanging up here above us. And to do that, I'd like to welcome Sporty's President and CEO, Michael Wolf.
Hello. Wow, what a day to fly. Now I want to thank, of course, all the sponsors for the Cessna. Cessna Aircraft, of course, is a big sponsor of the sweepstakes, along with Garmin. They have some nice panels in there, and along with Bose. So the winner's going to get a nice panel, a nice airplane, and a couple of headsets. Here's the winner. First, before we make the winner, we're going to watch a small commercial, and then we'll try to get the winner on the telephone. All right, well, if your phone starts ringing in a couple seconds, that would be really cool. This is where it's always, we don't know whether he's going to answer or not. Hello, is this Matthew Smolin?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. My name is Michael Wolf, and I'm here at Sporty's at our annual fly-in, and with about 3 or 4, maybe 500 people out here. And we're making the announcement that you're familiar with the Sporty's Skycatcher Sweepstakes?
I am.
Yes, and you obviously you're a customer of Sporty's, and I'm calling to let you know that you're the winner of the brand new Cessna Skycatcher.
Is this for real?
Yes, it is for real. You can hear the crowd out here. We're really enjoying it. It's real. If you get online, you should you can see your airplane in our lobby of our fly-in. We have a beautiful day here back in Batavia, Ohio, and we have well over 100 airplanes on the field just come to fly in. Hundreds of people here and all listen to you on the phone. And I understand you're also a lieutenant colonel in the U.S. Army Reserve.
That's correct.
Well, thank you very much for your service, and I understand you were in Iraq also.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Yeah, I was in Iraq last fall.
Well, thanks again. It's great. I understand you also flying a Seneca.
That's correct too.
And
yep.
we did a lot of research. The internet's a great tool, and also I understand you're a great aviation artist.
Well, I don't know about great, but yeah, I like to paint airplanes.
Well, good. We'll have to get some of our art here at Sporty's put in our collection here. But you are the winner of the airplane, and we'll make arrangements to get you out here so you can pick it up and fly it home.
Well, thank you so much. I have to say I'm speechless.
Well, congratulations. Let me announce your name to everyone. It's Dr. Matthew Smolin from Germantown, Tennessee, in the Memphis area. So I'll let you digest this a little bit, and I'll give you a call a little later here and set up the arrangements to get you out here to get you the airplane.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Well,
Unbelievable.
I hope this just made your day, and have a great day. We're having a great day at the airport. Bye-bye.
Well, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
There he is, a great winner, a doctor, a soldier, was in Iraq. You know, what a great winner.